Last year, there was rumors that Apple working on all-glass 20th century iPhone due to be launched next year, which is the 20th anniversary of the original iPhone. This mythical design has taken all shapes in the rumor mill. It will be all-glass or it will be quad-curved screen. It will be devoid of any button or ports. Even the dynamic island gone in some rumors. Today, a rumor from Jefferies analyst Edison Lee claims that the all-glass iPhone is dead. Apparently, Apple supply chain told that the project has been cancelled due to low yield. This Lee said is a major setback for Apple to bring in higher price iPhones and among soaring memory costs. This is based on Lee's estimation that the all-glass iPhone costing around $2,000. Anyway, the idea is not far-fetched that Apple will launch a more expensive Halo iPhone in order to drive up the average selling price of the entire iPhone portfolio. But there is already such a device that will be the iPhone Ultra due to be launched next month. Apple may want to milk that model for a couple of years before introducing yet another Halo smartphone. Anyway, Lee said that Apple has extended the all-glass features to future iPhone Pro and Pro Max models, further raising average selling price and margin. That has gone ahead with the all-glass iPhone project. Another possible guess is that it may not be dead. It may be revived once everything of the chip market comes in control.